Well, hi everyone. This is Zen, and you can find me on Twitter at XRP Crypto Queen or on Facebook, zen.lillian.devon, and feel free to message me on either platform. I'm going to jump right in here. I'm sorry for the look of this. I'm not great at editing, so I thought I would just use screenshots to show you how to move money from UPhold, this app right here, into your ledger, which when you plug it in, it pops up Ledger Live. You do have to download this in your app store, and that is how it works. I also have a few other things on here. I have the UPhold card, which you can use for purchases. I'm also in a few other wallets, and these are what I call my hot wallets. I have Atomic Wallet, and I have one other. I think I forgot to put it up here. That one is called Exodus. This I keep on here for CoinMarketCap and Blockfolio to check prices every morning. I don't worry too much about prices every morning. I just like to see if they're up or down 5 or 10%, because if they're down 10%, I may consider purchasing. If they're up 5 or 10%, that's nice, but I look overall because I have the mindset of a hodler. I am holding regardless, because that is how the real money is made in this crypto climate. Okay, so I'm going to shut these. This is what the Ledger Live app looks like. And whether you do it, for the most part, I will admit, I do it on my laptop. I very rarely move money anywhere on exchanges on my telephone only. But I do a little bit of both. Okay, so this is what that app looks like, Ledger Live, when you plug in, when you have purchased yours. If you need one, I'll post a link underneath for you to purchase your Ledger. And this is the UPhold app. Okay, now I hope I have these in order. Yes, when you log in on your UPhold app, you should have either a 4-digit passcode or 2FA security. If you don't have either one of those hooked up, let me know. I will make a video on how to do your security on your app. Okay, so it takes you right straight to your portfolio, and we are going to go to this next part, which is transact here. Okay, and oops, this is the wrong one. This one. Okay, when you click on transact on the bottom of your app, it brings up this: convert anything to anything. Transact. See right here. And I was going to move 50 XRP, 83 US dollars worth. And here's the fee for moving it. It's 0.001. So it turned it into 49.999 XRP. I was going to move it to my ledger just to show how to do this. Okay. So when you click on this, you have to click the down arrow and go to XRP network to move it. Okay, so you're moving XRP and you're going to move it using the XRP network. And you want to make sure that the wallet that you're moving it to is in fact an XRP wallet. Okay, so here is the next page after this. It wants you to put your XRP address in right here. We do not need a destination tag to move it to Ledger. So you're just going to grab your Ledger. Now where you grab it on Ledger is within the Ledger, Live Ledger, and I'm going to figure out how to do this without showing sensitive material of my own there. But when you click on any coin in your Ledger, even on a exchange, it will have this. Now, the only way for me to go on my ledger is to receive coins or send coins. So, of course, you want to receive the coins. Once you click on receive, it will pop up an address. This is an example of an address. So when you do that, you click receive on your ledger within that Live Ledger app. It will give you an address that looks like this, and that is what you're going to put in here. And then you do not need a destination tag, and then you will click next, and then it will show this. It shows the XRP wallet address right here, where it's going, and it has add a note. You do not need this. At the bottom of this page, it will click to confirm, and boom, your XRP just landed in your ledger. Now I'm going to leave it right there today because I don't have my live ledger up here. I'm working on keeping sensitive material out so that I can do videos that will be helpful to you. So I'm going to stop recording now. Once again, I will put the link for a ledger down below this video. And you all have a great day, and I'll be back with more on your hodling mindset and on the inner and outer workings of UPhold and BITTREX and your hot wallet, Exodus, Atomic, and your cold wallet called a ledger. Okay, thanks for listening. Ciao.